Now the news in detail. Kogi State Governor Yahaya Bello has sworn in 3 commissioners into their respective offices following their successful screening by the Kogi State House of Assembly. While swearing in the new commissioners on Friday, the governor said Dr. Zakari Usman from the Kina local government area would oversee the health ministry. Engineer Mohammed Abdulmutalib was appointed as the Commissioner of Rural and Energy Development, while Kingsley Fanwo was retained as the Commissioner for Information and Communication. Governor Bello urged the new appointees to join their other colleagues in the discharge of their duty, saying that they have joined the state's highest decision-making body to serve the people.
We have come to serve our people, we're serving our people. We're joining us today to serve our people. We're managing both human and material resources. Resources are never enough, especially the depleting ones. We simply apply our acumen, our managerial skills to ensure that we prioritize and ensure that our people have maximum benefit for the little resources available. And that is why we christened our administration New Direction Administration, and in the second term, we're doing more with the little that are available for our people. You're not here to serve yourself. From first term to the second term is never a time for merriment or enjoyment. All order is far gone. We employed and imported new order, and it's working for us here in Kogi State.
The governor also advised the new commissioners to acquaint themselves with the new direction blueprint, which had since been the template of policy for the administration, noting that top among what they would imbibe include unity and peaceful coexistence. The governor also announced some replacement of appointees who resigned to contest for various political offices in their various senatorial districts. The secretary to the state government, who briefed journalists after the extra executive council meeting, gave their profile.
I also wish to announce to you the official approval of Commodore Duro Jerry Omodara as the state security advisor. Of course, we know the special advisor on power and energy is also back. His Excellency has approved his coming back, Mr. Taiti Akere Jola Eminefo, while Mr. Samson Baku is the special advisor on works and housing, and Mr. Mohammed Ibrahim, special advisor on solid minerals and natural resources. Mr. John Hura Ikani, the special advisor on project monitoring. Dresu Yahaya as a special advisor, special duty to His Excellency. Mr. Paul Ahame Funa Sobele, the special advisor, community integration and harmonization to His Excellency. Mr. Isa Sani Abdukarim, the special advisor, internal and corporate affairs to His Excellency. We have the deployment to Mr. Dele Adeyanju Ishelewa, who was the senior special assistant on small and medium enterprises, has been redeployed to special advisor to His Excellency on job creation, knowing fully that the former special advisor job creation is the flag bearer of APC for Kutu, Lokoja Federal Constituency. While the position occupied by Mr. Ishelewa will now be occupied by Mr. Mohammed Mahmoud Shaba, who is now the senior special assistant to His Excellency on small and medium enterprises. Excellency, congratulate them, and I had my voice to His Excellency's own to say congratulations.
The newly inaugurated Commissioner for Health, Usman Zakari, thanked the governor for giving him such an opportunity to bring to bear his wealth of experience in the health sector.
If you see, a lot has happened in the last few years, or the last few months, if you ask me, and those are positives to build on. What I'm going to do differently is I'm going to use my experience with the development partners to look at what are we going to do to make all this fantastic investment to be self-sustaining. Sustainability of this is very important. One other thing I'm going to do differently because of my experience and expertise is community participation. Most of these facilities are not hanging in the air. They are situated in the communities. So communities must learn to take ownership.
The Returned Commissioner for Information and Communication has immediately resumed his duty by performing his first assignment of briefing the Government House press crew on some of the key decisions reached during the Executive Council meeting. He, however, thanked the governor for giving him another chance to deliver and strengthen the state communication sector.
His Excellency commended the State Ministry of Health for the ongoing data capturing for the intended beneficiary of Bello Care, which has to cover the insurance scheme. The health insurance agency of the state government, which is ongoing across the 21 local government councils of the state. This is to ensure that the poor people in rural communities and even in urban areas could access virtually free Medicare, which is an initiative of the present administration to improve healthcare delivery and make it affordable to the good people of Kogi State. Graphic newspapers is doing very well, and also our state website is still one of the best in the country today, winning the state so many awards and a lot of things too. When you look at our radio, that's where we're having challenges, but I want to announce to you that the state governor had not only approved the procurement of modern digital transmitters, but I want to also announce to you joyfully that those transmitters are already in Lagos, and they will be in Kogi very soon and will be installed. And we are also planning to increase the number of hours we are on air on Radio Kogi so that we can boost even the commercial standing of the radio.
They are expected to resume with immediate effect.